Well, we're going to start the show this week with a feel-good story about positive hiring developments within a key piece of the U.S. manufacturing sector. Lockheed Martin meets 1,800 employee hiring commitment. Plans to add 400 more jobs in Fort Worth is the rather lengthy name of a news item that we linked out to in Wednesday's issue of the Quality Digest newsletter. Well, Lockheed Martin, of course, is a major aerospace and defense contractor, and it builds the multi-purpose F-35 fighter jet. In January of 2017, company chairperson, president and CEO Marilyn Hewson, I guess is her last name, committed to adding these jobs. And during a recent Made in America Day ceremony at the White House, Hewson announced that, in fact, the goal had been reached to add those jobs.
1,800 jobs, a lot of jobs.
1,800 jobs, a lot of jobs. Now, the F-35 program, for any of you who don't know, currently supports nearly 200,000 jobs in the United States, either directly or indirectly. And about 310 F-35s have already been delivered to date, most in the past year, and more than 3,000 eventually are going to see service. I think the planned service time is out to like 2070 on this jet.
Okay.
It's planned to have a long life. So over the span of that, there should be 3,000 jets that are going to be produced. Now, as production volume increases and Lockheed Martin implements cost-saving initiatives, costs have decreased significantly. In fact, F-35 unit costs have declined by more than 60% since the first production lot. That's a pretty fair amount of cutting there. The company also recently hosted a hiring event in Fort Worth, Texas, as alluded to in the title, and ultimately up to 400 new employees are going to be added to production teams as a result of that event. These include avionics technicians, milling machinists, low observable coders, structural assemblers, aircraft mechanics, field and service mechanics, and electrical assemblers. So pretty wide variety of production jobs there that are going to be added. So for more information, you can check out the story link below, right down there, or you can simply visit online, of course, at lockheedmartin.com.